In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize images in Photoshop without losing quality, using two powerful methods that protect detail and keep your image looking sharp. Whether you're working on a layout, a composition, or you need to scale up a photo for print, these techniques will help you avoid the blurry, pixelated look that happens when an image is resized the wrong way. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and beginner-friendly editing guides. Let's jump right in. The first method is the Smart Object Shield, and this is the best option when you're placing an image inside a larger project canvas. Smart objects are non-destructive, which means Photoshop keeps the original image data safe in the background. That's why you can resize it multiple times without permanently damaging the quality. To start, open your project in Photoshop and locate the layer that contains the image you want to resize. In the Layers panel, right-click directly on that image layer. From the menu that appears, choose Convert to Smart Object. Once you do that, you'll notice a small icon appear in the corner of the layer thumbnail, which tells you the layer is now protected as a smart object. Now that the image is converted, press Ctrl and T on Windows or Command and T on Mac to bring up the free transform bounding box. You'll see corner handles around the image. Click and drag those corner handles inward if you want to make the image smaller, or outward if you want to scale it up to fit your layout. Because the image is now inside a smart object, Photoshop preserves the original quality much better than a normal raster resize. Once the image is positioned exactly where you want it, press Enter to confirm the transformation. This method is especially useful for posters, social media graphics, thumbnails, product mockups, and any design where you may need to adjust the size more than once. Instead of damaging the image every time you scale it, Photoshop keeps it flexible and clean. If you ever need to make more adjustments later, you can simply transform it again without starting over. That makes smart objects one of the safest and most professional ways to resize images in Photoshop. Now let's move on to the second method, which is the Preserve Details 2.0 engine. This is the method you want to use when you need to scale up a flat photograph to a much larger size, especially for printing. If you enlarge a regular image too much, it can start looking soft, mocky, or pixelated. Preserve Details 2.0 helps Photoshop reconstruct the image using a smarter interpolation process, so the result looks much cleaner and more natural. To use it, go to the top menu bar and click Image, then choose Image Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl, Alt, and I on Windows, or Command, Option, and I on Mac. In the Image Size window, first make sure the chain link icon between width and height is turned on. This locks the aspect ratio so your image doesn't get stretched or distorted while resizing. Next, enter your new target dimensions. You can type in a larger pixel size if you're preparing for digital use, or use inches if you're preparing for print. Once the new size is entered, look at the bottom of the window for the Resample drop-down menu. Change that setting from Automatic to Preserve Details 2.0. This tells Photoshop to use its advanced upscaling algorithm instead of a basic resize method. After that, you'll see a Reduce Noise slider appear underneath. This control lets you balance smoothness and detail. If you raise the slider, Photoshop will soften jagged edges and reduce harsh artifacts. If you lower it, you'll preserve more fine texture and sharpness. In most cases, a value between 10 to 30% gives a natural-looking result without over-smoothing the image. The exact setting can depend on the photo, so it's worth testing a few different levels if needed. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the changes. Photoshop will resize the image using the Preserve Details 2.0 engine, and you should get a much better result than with standard scaling. This is a great option for enlarging photos, for flyers, posters, banners, and high-resolution prints where image quality matters most. So to quickly recap, if you're resizing an image inside a layout or composition, use a smart object so you can scale it safely without losing quality. If you're enlarging a photo for print or a larger output, use Image Size with Preserve Details 2.0 and fine-tune the Reduced Noise slider for the best balance. Together, these two methods cover the most reliable ways to resize images in Photoshop while keeping them sharp. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.